with my dad, I'm gonna make the side truck.
Alright, hey guys, this is Nate, and this is the Nater Tater channel. For today, we have Elise here. She's 3, about to be 4, but she's going to do her first woodworking project with me. So she's got her tape measure, she's got a hammer, now she's got a pencil, and her grandparents were at Home Depot, and so they got this little fire truck kit, and it's made for kids. I mean, it says 5+, but Dad's going to help here. So it's a ladder truck, and the wood pieces are pre-cut, but you have to do some sanding, some painting, and screwing and nailing together. So that's what we're going to go through today. So let me take out the kit pieces here. We have the main body. We have kind of the cab. We have, this is going to be the lights on the top of the roof. This is a ladder support. Here's a little ladder. And then we have a small package of the fasteners and also the ladder support here. So we'll follow these directions and start putting it together. So first, we put the body down, and then we put this is the cab. We'll line that up. We gotta get the nails out.
I can do that.
You can do this?
Yeah, with this hammer.
With the hammer, that's right. So we're gonna line these up, we'll put them in here.
Now we're gonna do them.
All right, hold on. All right, go ahead and hammer them some. Okay, let's hammer this one a little bit. Okay, keep hammering those. Good job. Let me do a little bit too, okay? We lining those up so the cab's all straight. Wow.
It's loud.
Is that loud? Get those guys in there. Now what does it say to do? Now we got to get the light bar. So where's the light bar? There you go. And now for this one, all right, so this guy's going to go right here in the center. Right like this. All right, so get the long nail, yeah. Okay, put it in that hole. Good.
Now I need to crush it.
Okay, crush it. Yep, don't crush my fingers. All right, gentle. Yep. All right. That's excellent job. Did you have fun crushing that?
Yes.
You like crushing it? With the hammer? Let's grab that one screw that fell down here. Okay, so you like that part, huh? That's that guy. No, let's not hammer anymore for a second. Let's see what the instructions say. So we did that. So now our truck looks like that, right? See? Okay, now we have to put the ladder base together. So we're gonna take, yep. So we'll leave the ladder down here. Now this is the ladder base. Now we put this guy. You get the little screw. Let me set this up for you. Let's hammer that a little bit. Gentle Harlow. Yep. Okay. Alright, good job. Almost killed me, but it's okay. Alright, so now we do the same thing on this side. So now we get another ladder side. We get this. We line it up here at the base.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Elise. You having fun? All right, so now we're going to have you hammer it in. Okay, gentle, hammer it in. Yep, a little bit harder. A little bit harder. All right, good job. Okay, so now we got that guy. I'm going to set it a little bit harder. There we go. So now we have the ladder base. All right, what do we do next? What does it say to do next? What's step 5?
Almost put that on top, so we can put it on top on the side truck.
Okay, can you find that? Where is? I think it's that screw. Yeah. So now we got to set that on top, and let's see where we place it. We place it at the end of the body.
Yep.
That's what it looks like to me. Okay. So yep. So we put that screw through here. There you go. And then There's a hole for it already. Now this time, since it's a screw and not a hammer, we're going to use the screw gun. Let me get it started, and then you can help me, okay? All right, Elise. I'm going to need you to screw this one in, okay? You know how to pull that trigger? Hold on. Let's put it on there first, and then we'll pull it, okay? Okay. Pull that trigger. All right. Good job. Great. I'm going to make this a little bit tighter. Okay, there's our ladder truck. And we made it just tight enough so it's taut, but we still going to let it rotate some. Okay. So now we got to attach the ladder. That's the last part. Well, last part for the wood, and then we'll have to paint. All right, so she has holes in it. So I think we put these little screws in there, okay? So that's a nail, so let's get the 2 screws. So here's 1 screw. We're gonna place it right here. And this part, since it's so gentle, I think we're gonna get a normal screwdriver for it. So that's a nail, so you gotta get the screw, the one with the little threads on it. Get that one. Let me get you a screwdriver.
Yeah, screwdriver.
I'm gonna get you a screwdriver here, yep.
Yeah.
We'll get you a little one.
Thank you.
Here's a little screwdriver for you. So we'll put this in there, and now we'll put in this hole here. We'll have to find the hole in the ladder.
I want to do it.
You want to do this? Okay, hold on. Let me just help find the hole. All right, can you screw that one in? Push in on it and screw. Yeah, and rotate. Yeah, rotate. Yeah. There you go. Good job. All right. Now we'll have to do this other side too.
Which one?
Right here. So we push it in.
And what time are we going to do these ones?
Oh, do you want the stickers?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And this and this?
Well, yeah, those are just some tools that we have out to show that you're a worker.
I am a worker.
I know you are. Okay, so now that's all together. Now to finish it off, you know, they don't give you any paint, but I think it looks a lot better if you paint it. So we're gonna sand it a little bit. This is just 100 grit sandpaper, and we're just gonna kind of sand the edges, get it cleaned up a little bit. So it'll take the paint a little better, won't have any splinters. And then we'll give it a quick coat of spray paint, just to kind of make it red.
And opposed to putting it has some stickers, that is it.
Yeah, and then we'll put the stickers on. And do it again.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
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 Oh, is this dusty?
Yeah.
What do you think about the dust?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't like the dust?
Now.
All right. Guess Daddy will deal with the dust. Oh, you like power tools? Is that the part you like? Whoa!
It is loud.
It is loud.
I got a white.
What are you gonna draw?
Oh, you.
Oh, you gonna draw me?
With a big head. Blah, blah.
A big head?
Yeah. You. They don't have.
Okay, so now it's just lightly sanded on the edges just to take the edge off a little bit. So now I think we'll spray paint it. It looks like, to me, the main fire body should be red and then the ladder should be gray. So probably shouldn't have attached the ladder yet. So we'll take the ladder back off. What's so funny?
Okay, this is.
We gotta paint it first, you silly goose. All right, so the one thing the instructions do call out is if you do paint it, you don't want to get the peg holes painted over or painted on, because then the axles won't fit. So the axles are designed to just fit in those holes as they're drilled. These little plastic axles, and so if you put paint in there, then you will clog up that hole. So I'm just gonna put a quick painter's tape right over the edge of the hole, just to stop the paint from going in there. All right.
Okay. This is not a pocket.
Hey, that's my pencil. You taped up my pencil.
Yes, I can do.
All right.
But that is my project.
This is your project?
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Hey.
So now I took the ladder base off too because I'm going to paint it black just to keep all these things separate. So gray, black, and red. And then we'll be ready to put stickers on. All right. So let's go outside and paint this some, okay? Okay.
Wow. Can I do it?
Yep, we'll let you do one.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to do a black one. And a black one.
So, okay, so to spray the fire truck, we're going to spray red from over here. We're not going to get too close, okay? So I want you to help by pressing that little button on top. Oh, all right, there you go. All right, good, let go. Perfect.
So red.
It's so red.
Now we need to do a black one.
We'll do the black one next, yep. Well, let me finish up this fire truck. You shake that can up, okay?
Huh?
Shake it real good.
I shake it up.
Good.
I want to do this one.
Okay, hold on. All right, so now this one's going to be black, but let me get them so that they're out of the way here. Yep, so now we made a little wind barrier so we don't get anything else dirty. And then we press the button. All right, that's good, thank you. All right, so now let me finish up painting this guy.
I'm going to go get my stickers.
Well, we got to let the paint dry before we put stickers on it, okay?
Okay.
So we'll just... All right. So now we have the pieces. Like I said, we painted them, the red, the black, and the gray. We're going to put them back together here.
How are we going to open this?
I'll help you open it. Yeah, that has to pull up on it. So attaching the ladder base back down to the main fire truck here. Again, I'm just making it snug, but still letting it rotate.
Hi guys, my name is Louise, so I came here so I can but I got some glue so I can glue something. So with my dad I'm gonna make the fire truck.
That's right, you're gonna make your fire truck with your dad. You're gonna help me glue? What are you gonna glue? We're gonna glue the axles into the truck, okay?
Right down here?
No, those are the stickers. All right, so now your ladder works. Okay, so this is the part we need just a little bit of glue.
Okay.
All right, hold on. I know, so what we gotta do, can you help me? We have to put the axle through the wheel, like this. Can you do that? Can you put an axle through the wheel for me? Hold the wheel like this and put the axle through. Okay. Perfect, now do this one. All right. Perfect. All right, so now we got our glue, and I'll hold the axle. Whoop. I'll hold the axle. And then I need you to give me just a little bit of a dab of glue. Hold on. All right, so remember, just a little bit of glue. Okay? So give me a little bit of glue on the end. Yep, that's good. Just a little bit more. Let me see. Let me shake it up a little bit. All right. All right, so there's a little bit of glue. Now I'm going to put the axle into the fire truck. Okay, last axle, and so they already drilled the hole, and it's already deep enough so that you can't, put the axle too far in. So you just hammer it in until it's tight. All right.
And we need this, but I am a worker, and I got a gear driver, a hammer, and what the thing, and this, and this, and this, and this.
Wow. Okay, how about some stickers?
Yeah, we need some stickers.
Okay, let's see how we put these stickers on. All right.
So we just make it look like this picture here. So which one's that one? That one's a red stripe, so that one goes down the side. So we put it right here.
Then another one.
Another one, so that goes on this other side. Okay, so let's put the white on the bottom so it matches. All right, so can you give me another sticker? All right, which sticker are you gonna get me now? Oh, the ladder ones. This ladder one, I think, can go on the top side of the ladder here. Okay, that's the other ladders. That goes on this bottom side of the ladder.
And these go.
So that one goes on the side of the ladder.
I'll drop it.
It's okay, you can get it. You don't want me to get it?
No, I can get it. And there's some these trains.
It fell beneath the train? Yeah, all right, hop on up here. Let's get another one. Another sticker.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get that one. Perfect. So that completes the ladder now.
Then give me, Dad. I can do this.
Hold on. Okay, so that goes on the front of it. So that's perfect. Let's hold on. Let me help you get it lined up, okay? Perfect. All right, which one's that one? That one's the
Windows.
windows. Okay, so they're gonna go right here. Yeah. Here, let me help. Let me help. Is that the other windows? No, that's the siren. So that one goes right here. Right on top of there. Perfect. Good. Oh. Okay, that's the other side that goes on the top, right here. Oh, no, that's the window. Sorry. I'm silly. All right, put that one right here. There, that's good. All right. Now we got the siren piece. Okay. So that one goes on top right here. Yep. All right.
Now my side's
Hold
one.
on. Yep. Let's see. We had all the stickers used up.
Uh-huh.
All right. So you're done.
Yep.
All right. So that's the fire truck.
Oh, guys, somebody in trouble. I gotta go get them. They're stuck in the tree.
Someone stuck in a tree.
Yeah.
Turn your sirens on.
Wheel, 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 wheel. There we go.